Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password on your Mobile Legends account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing the password of your Mobile Legends account is easy. When you are on the main dashboard of the app, tap your profile icon from the top left. Select Account from the left sidebar. On the account page, tap Account Center. Here you can select Change Moonton Account Password. Enter your email address and then tap Submit. You will then be sent an email with a link to change your password. Open the email and tap the Change Now button. You can now enter your password, re-enter it, and then tap the Confirm button to change it. Your Mobile Legends password has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mobile Legends tips and tricks.